20 Years of Europe's largest national Asian wedding show was organized on 23rd of February in Radisson Blu Hotel in Heathrow, London. It was a pleasure to see or work with a brilliant show team, backstage team and talented models, definitely taking away some incredible memories that we remember forever. At Radisson presents the Asian wedding show Radisson Blu Edwardian Heathrow 2025 Fashion Runway in association with Wedding by Amar, designer Ricky Channa, Jewellery, artist Jewellery, HMU Partner, makeup artist Geet Soni, Makeup Academy, runway show producer Mirza Mia, head stylist Styled by Shivrura, production partner Ritzy Music, photography, videography partner The VIP Studio, TV partner at Star TV UK, radio partner Leica Radio, show partner Chaiwala, show producer managed, and it was all presented by Many Platinum, who is also known as a Platinum Group. Exhibitors were pleased to see such a huge turn-up of the guests and making good sales on the day. A heartfelt thank you to all your incredible exhibitors, runway designers, brides, grooms and visitors who joined us for the grand finale of the 20th anniversary of the National Asian Wedding Show at the Radisson Blu Edwardian Heathrow. From the breathtaking catwalks to the buzzing exhibition halls, this show was a true celebration of love, tradition and vibrant South Asian wedding industry. The passion, creativity and energy made this milestone year one to remember, and we could have done it without you. As we wrap up this incredible season, we filled with gratitude for every moment shared, every dream sparked, and every couple who found inspiration for their big day. Here's to 20 years of unforgettable memories and many more to come.
It's great to be back at Europe's largest Asian wedding show, which, if you didn't know, is in its 20th year and growing year by year.
Amika, as you can tell, we're reading from a script at the moment, but what I'm going to do is put this script away, because you just mentioned 20 years. 20
long years.
And if I'm honest with you, all ladies and gentlemen, there is one gentleman who put this whole thing together for the whole industry, and that is Mani Singh. And without further ado, as a surprise, I promise you I'm not reading from this, I would like to ask Mani to come forward and join us to celebrate these 20 years very, very quickly, Mani.
Big round of applause.
Big round of applause for Mani. As he makes his way to the front of stage, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone gathered here today, I cannot express how much Mani Singh has done for the industry. We've been partnered with him for the 20 years. There's brands that I can roll off, like Raddison, like VIP, and all the team who have been extremely supportive. And Mani,
I'm going to be in trouble when I go home today.
I was going to say that he's lost his hair in the process, but you can see that yourselves. But Mani, this has been put together for you by very, very special key people within all of this organisation, and I don't know how to label it as an organisation. Platinum Model Management, Ritzy, very, very special key people in your lives, you know, friends, family, I don't know what to label it, but maybe you can take a sneak peek at this very quickly, and while you do, please don't get emotional, madam, but maybe from a small-time Manchester boy to what you are now, you can let all of these amazing people know about your journey. So I'll hand over to you.
I wasn't expecting this. It's been 20 long years. The industry has been very, very kind. I've had the, quite a lot of support with big name brands, Radisson, Ritzy. Even this hotel, the Radisson Blu, 14 years we've been here. We continue to increase what we do every year. We are going to be launching this year in Dubai.
big round of applause for all of the sponsors here for this evening.
Can we please thank all of our partners? Television partners, Plus, radio partners, Like Radio, AV partner, Ritzy Music, show sponsors, Jewellery.
My name's Nidhi and my name's Katrina and we're at the International Asian Wedding Show and we are here just helping out, touring everyone, handing out the little maps and just showing everyone around. Yeah.
From Ritzy. I'm here with Gia, met for the first time today and she's looking around at the National Asian Wedding Show. I'm from Ritzy Music, so we're a production company. I just want to say it's been a fabulous day meeting all the brides, the grooms. It's been a wonderful catwalk. That's where I met with Gia and we hope to do something very soon together. But keep your eyes peeled, keep up with the page, make sure you interact with Gia online and hopefully we'll see each other very soon.
Hi there guys, welcome to the Capture Co. We're here at stand 15 at the National Asian Wedding event. Come join us.
I'm the owner of Prestige London and I'm here at the Asiana Wedding Show and I got all this lovely collection. So this is all my new collection. If you guys can see, it's very summery, very pastel color. And I also got some pashmina shows as well, and I also do unstitched suit and bespoke couple outfits as well. So come visit me at Asiana Wedding Show, and also I have a boutique from home as well. So I do appointment based only. Please come and visit me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, we're sponsoring the National Wedding Show event from Jewellery. It's been an amazing event so far. Really busy. Pop down and see us as well. Get some curry chai. We also cater for events as well. So yeah, support the wedding show, support Jewellery. And have a great event.
Okay, just one question. Okay, why do you think your chai is actually unique than other chais? Because there's chais everywhere now, karak chai. So what's so special about your karak chai?
There's so many companies doing chai, but Jewellery is the king of karak, as we've been branded. We've got over 100 stores across the UK. We're opening multiple countries nationally, internationally as well. And yeah, the proof is in the flavour. We are